Today I'm gonna be showing you a duplication glitch works in 0.14. So let's get straight into it. So first, you're gonna need some frost material and diamond. Okay, check. Yes, you need 9 diamonds and an anvil. We got an anvil. And a battle open heart. There we go. Okay. So you need 9 diamonds. Survival. And get diamond. Period. There's your experience on you. Okay. So we're gonna name the 9 diamonds. Anything you want. Name it anything you want. But I'm gonna name it Emo. You are finished naming Emo. Just craft it diamond. Just craft it into a diamond block, and you can get millions of diamond blocks. I don't know. This is just a glitch, and you can turn it back into diamond. And we have now so many diamonds. Look! Oh my goodness! This is so powerful. This is so cool glitch. Yeah. Look at these things. Make armor, say. Yeah. So that is pretty much for this video. I don't make a video yesterday. Today I make a video. Yeah. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.